Okay guys, today we have a new video and we are building a farm in Minecraft, but not just that, we are building it in the snow biome. And I'm gonna steal these crops from the villagers, which will make it 100 times easier, but it's still gonna be hard protecting the crops from all the snow that comes down. That will probably destroy the crops, and building the house and cutting down all the wood. I'm not gonna live in this village. I'm gonna move away from it. I'm gonna check the chest in here. Maybe he has something good. We have some more potatoes and coal. We always need that good coal. Okay, now we're gonna find our land that we'll place the farm on. And I'm probably not going to do it in the woods. I'm just going through the woods to find wood like this. I'm just going to time-lapse this part. Okay, back on the trail. I'm not going to go in the forest like I already said. I'm not going to build my hut there. I thought this would be funny, just putting this up here. Okay, I thought it would be funny. So, moving on to the next slide. Okay, I'm back on the trail, and I'm not going to use this igloo at all for my home. I mean, I'm going to take the bed, of course, but that's it. I'm not going to use it as my home. I'm making a wooden house, actually, so I'm just going to keep walking. I think this might be a good spot to set up, but I think I'm just going to keep going because there might be another side of the forest. So just keep walking. Oh, okay, time to stay in the winter zone. Gotta keep walking this way. Snow is falling. I would usually tame wolves, but I'm not gonna today because I do not have a bone. This looks like a cool place to do or make a home, so I'm gonna do it. I actually better make this home quickly because night is coming, so I'm gonna time lapse this part. Here we go. Okay, and I didn't record this on my time lapse, sorry, not stop motion, but I actually ran into a stray. As I go to sleep, I'll show you the picture of it. It said some pretty wise words. And yes, I killed this stray, but you should subscribe for the 2 emerald burial ground for him. I will make it in the next video. So I woke up and I decided to build a roof over the farm and the farmhouse. So let me get started on this. Time-lapse time. Here it is. Here's the house and what? Wait, what's that?